You don't lose weight by eating less. You lose weight by eating right. Most people are hungry, tired, and frustrated, not because they're lazy, but because they're eating the wrong foods. If you want to lose weight fast and keep it off, you must stop guessing and start eating smart. Let me show you the simple foods that actually burn fat. Number 1. Protein, the fat-burning foundation. Your body burns more fat when you eat protein. Protein keeps you full. Protein stops cravings. Protein tells your body to burn fat instead of storing it. Eat foods like eggs, fish, chicken, beans, and Greek yogurt. When your meals have protein, your stomach stays full and your body stays in fat-burning mode. Number 2. Vegetables, your belly fat cleaner. Vegetables clean your system. They fill your stomach, reduce hunger, and control blood sugar. Eat cabbage, spinach, carrots, tomatoes, and broccoli. Vegetables help remove belly fat naturally. The more vegetables you eat, the less junk you crave. Number 3. Healthy fats, the craving killers. Yes, fat can burn fat. Healthy fats tell your brain you're satisfied. That stops overeating. Eat avocado, nuts, olive oil, and peanut butter. When you eat good fats, you stop wanting bad foods. Number 4. Remove these if you want results. If you keep eating these, your weight will not go down. Sugar, soft drinks, white bread, and fried snacks. These foods turn off fat burning. You don't need them to live. You only need them to stay stuck. Number 5. Water, the secret weapon. Before you eat, drink water. When you feel hungry, drink water. Water reduces appetite. Water cleans your system. Water helps your body burn fat faster. The real truth. Weight loss is not about punishment. It's about smart choices. You don't need expensive diets. You don't need the gym. You just need protein, vegetables, healthy fats, and water. Do this and your body will change. If you want to lose belly fat and get real results, subscribe and watch the full 30-day weight loss series on this channel. Your new body starts with your next meal.